Crank it.
Emma here from Power Curve Performance. We've just shown you two different videos. The first one, basically they are of an engine, a ZD30 engine, and based on what the customer said, look, they had already replaced injectors. Based on our findings, we felt the injectors was still an issue. So the way that we have tested them is with the tubes that you can see, and we're basically testing the feedback of the injectors themselves. So what we'd expect to see is what you've seen in the second video. So the fuel will rise fairly evenly across the board. In the first video, you can see the fuel in one of the tubes basically rises quite quickly, and that shows that there is an issue with that injector. We popped another set of injectors as a test in, so that he has that confidence. He's already done it himself. You can see why that would be a concern for him. So we've done that, and basically what it's shown is that was an issue. So we can now confidently say that yes, this vehicle does need new injectors. Cheers guys, make sure you jump on. We're on YouTube, we're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, which you're probably on now. And yeah, make sure you jump on and follow us. Cheers guys.